Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about some leaked buddies that are coming to Prodigy. We also have a idea of when Springfest will come out, so let's just get into the video. So first off, we are going to go ahead and look at the buddies. This is going to be like a fish buddy. It's probably like in Shipwreck Shores, a tropical buddy. Maybe this will be in Summerfest. But yeah, that is the first one. Next we have a red panda, which looks pretty cool. It's not sure where this would be. It's probably going to be like in the arena or something, because I couldn't really see this be anywhere unless it's in Harmony Island. So yeah. The next one we have is a cat. This one will probably be in the arena, like the two other cats that we've already seen. And it looks kind of weird, but that is the cat. So next up we have this thing. I'm assuming this is going to be a Bonfire Spire, because this thing just looks super weird. Because like the top looks like something that would be in Bonfire Spire. I'll go there real quick. So if we go to Bonfire Spire, play. So like some of the stuff, it seems like it would match up with the top that is on this thing. So next up, this is going to be a blue jay. I don't know where this would be, but it looks very cool. Maybe it'll be in the arena, not sure. And there is the blue jay. So next up we have just a flame. Not sure what this would be in, cause probably not going to be Bonfire Spire, because we already have seen one for that. Maybe this would be in the fire tower, but the fire tower isn't going to come out for a while, most likely. And there is actually one that we are missing. Yeah, this is the thing that I'm talking about. This could be, or this is a leaked buddy. I don't know why I deleted it, but I did. So that is like a leaked cloud, electric cloud. So yeah. That's pretty much going to end with the video. As I said at the start, I'm going to tell you the Springfest day. That should probably come out next Tuesday, because that's when Prodigy updates the game, and spring is already here, and Easter would be like in 2 weeks. So yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We just hit 700 subscribers. Let's try and pass the other Daviday channel that it has 710 subscribers. And yeah, bye.